Welcome to Housekeeping Master. If you have been struggling with stuck food, uneven heating, or a kitchen cabinet cluttered with mismatched pans, you are in the right place. Today we are diving deep into the Carote 14-piece pots and pan set. This Granite non-stick cookware set has been making waves online, and I wanted to see if it actually lives up to the hype in a real-world kitchen environment. First, let us talk about the build quality. The set is constructed from reinforced die-cast aluminum. What this means for you is that you get a pan that feels substantial and durable, but it remains remarkably lightweight compared to traditional cast iron or heavy steel sets. This makes flipping pancakes or transferring a sauté pan from the stove to the counter much easier on your wrists. The standout feature here is undoubtedly the Granite non-stick coating. Carote claims this is a 10 times ultra non-stick performance surface. In my testing, I found that food slides right off with very little oil or butter. This is a game changer for healthy cooking and makes the cleanup process incredibly fast. Speaking of cleanup, while the manufacturer recommends hand washing, I found that a simple wipe with a paper towel or a quick rinse under warm water is usually all it takes to get these pans looking brand new again. When it comes to performance, the extended bottom design is a thoughtful touch. It ensures that the pan heats up quickly and maintains an even temperature across the entire cooking surface. This works perfectly on all cooktops, including Induction, which can sometimes be finicky with certain cookware materials. Let us look at what you get in the box. This is a comprehensive 14-piece set that covers almost every culinary need. You get an 8-inch and a 10-inch fry pan, a 2-quart saucepan with a lid, a massive 4.5-quart stockpot with a lid, and a versatile 4-quart sauté pan with a lid. They also throw in a ladle and a slotted spatula, plus 4 pan protectors, which I highly recommend using to prevent the coating from scratching when you stack them in your cabinets. Now, for the pros and cons. The biggest pro is the sheer value and the effortless non-stick capability. It is rare to find a set that looks this professional and performs this consistently at this price point. However, you should keep in mind that this is not dishwasher-safe cookware. To maintain that granite coating for the long haul, you must stick to hand washing and avoid using metal utensils that could mar the surface. Additionally, while the warranty covers you for 12 months for any quality issues, you should always treat the non-stick surface with care to ensure the coating stays intact for years to come. In conclusion, the Carote 14-piece Granite set is an excellent investment for anyone looking to refresh their kitchen essentials without breaking the bank. It offers a balance of modern aesthetics, rapid heating, and a non-stick surface that actually delivers on its promises. Whether you are a beginner home cook or just need a reliable daily set, this package is worth your attention. Link in the description.